I realized that no one was really, parang wala namang nagsasuppress ng feelings ko or opinion ko. I feel like yun lang yung natanim sa akin, yun lang yung naisip ko, yun lang yung naging negative effect or epekto. Charot. Basta yun lang naging naisip ko, yun lang pumasok sa sistema ko for, sabihin natin, 10 years, ganun. As someone na parang basta lumalaki, tas ito yung mga taong kasama ko. I'm not blaming anyone, it's just that yun lang talaga yung naging epekto ng environment ko sa akin. Na I feel like I am not an important person. And my opinion doesn't matter. And feel ko I need to heal from that kasi I realized that I have a lot of yung parang thoughts and opinions na sometimes very important. Very important. Basta parang feel ko it does matter and basta nagmamatter, ganun. Basta nagmamatter siya and I feel like someone needs to hear those opinions that I have. I feel like I share a lot of basta opinions with other people na kailangan ko ding i-share kasi it will help them and me in the long run. I don't see it as a parang negative thing or bad thing na na-experience ko sa buhay. I feel like I've grown so much from that experience and I feel like kung hindi ko siya na-experience, feel ko hindi ako magiging ako ngayon. Basta yun, parang I feel like I have to go through that para maging ako yung ako ngayon.